Hey, Christina here, and I wanted to run through how you can lay out your 2025 marketing calendar. So the one you received in the email is blank. This is a mock-up that you're seeing right now. And it's pretty simplistic, but the reason it's this way is so you can make it your own, make it fit for your company. And just the basic layout across the top are the dates. It's locked so you can scroll however much you want to, and that won't move. I added a December column in case there's some leftover things you want to make sure to remember and do. And then on the left, again, that column is frozen. We've got programming and events, and that includes events maybe you're doing or events that you are a part of, or anything that you want to be sure to remember and talk about. Miscellaneous of whatever random things might be happening in your calendar. And if you do blogs, we've got a section here for blogs, for emails, social media, holidays. I've listed out the holidays, but it could be, you can add to that or delete if some of these are too much. And then we have secondary holidays, and those are kind of the fun holidays. Like I added a National Fun at Work Day. And these are great to kind of go through. I've left a link here, and because it can be great content for you, and it could be something to talk about and just celebrate as something fun, or on a serious note, whatever might have to do with your company. So heading back up here, we've got a free webinar happening December 10th, and then another one December 16th. And I would recommend adding a link to the either invite or the landing page or just somewhere so you have a quick reference for all the information you might need for this event. And then I'm going to skip blog posts for just a second and head down to email. So you can see here, I've made the font red. And I've also made all the promo emails red. So at a glance, I know in the month of December, I've got 2 promo emails marketing the webinar already here. And you can see this program, 2-month program, XYZ. I have made that blue font. And at a glance, again, I can tell, okay, there's 5 emails that need to happen for the XYZ program that I'm trying to get out and get done. And here we have just a regular nurture email. Again, this is the nurture email mentioning the blog post that's coming out in January. And what I would recommend is linking out to these emails in a larger folder. So you could have a 2024 December and then a 12/23 holiday nurture email. And you link to a Word document where this email is and where you've drafted it. And it's really nice to be able to go back and have that record. And it's even more nice when you have it for these programs. So the XYZ program that I'm launching at the end of January, I'm actually going to be doing it again in the springtime at the end of April. So if I create a Word document and I have listed out the 5 emails, I've written out the 5 emails into one Word document, and I can link to them through this spreadsheet. I now have that record, and I now have made my future life easier because I can then take that document and rejudge it based on, okay, yes, I filled it. The 5 emails were great. Maybe I can pull back on 1 email, or I didn't fill it. I ended up doing an extra email, so now I need to do 6, whatever it might be. But now you have a record of all those emails, and okay, 5 worked. I filled the program. I'm going to do 5 here for this launch. And it's just easier. You don't have to start from scratch each time you launch the same program. And similar to what I was saying here, and this is how I work with my clients, is we just link to the December social media document. Oops, I have it pulled up here. And it lists out the days. So I've got the content, which is the graphic, maybe it's a video, a reel, something like that. We've got the caption where I write it out, and then the hashtags where we list them out here. And we go through and we know, okay, each week we're going to post 2 times. These are the dates that we want to post. And these are sort of the topics: static post, gift card, reel, promo post, quote, that kind of thing. And then just to go back through and start filling in where you wanted to post. And then linking to that. So you have a quick reference of where that document is, and you can always pull it up for future reference. And that is kind of the super quick and quick and fast overview. But if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. I'm happy to answer. And again, it's, happy planning for 2025. This is a pretty simplistic calendar based off of a lot of the ones I've seen. But I think in the simplicity helps organization blossom. So good luck and happy planning.